What if one man's political gamble could reshape your investments, your company, and even global markets? Elon Musk, a kingmaker in tech and politics, just launched a new political movement called the America Party. And today, we ask, what does this mean for Tesla, for SpaceX, and for your portfolio? On July 5, 2025, Elon Musk formally announced the America Party through a post on Musk warned that it would bankrupt the nation and now says he will personally fund primary challenges against over 30 lawmakers, who supported it. This came after he ran a poll asking if Americans wanted an alternative to the two-party system. A majority, 72% of respondents said yes. So, he followed through. This could shift U.S. politics, and it could have serious implications for investors. This move follows a very public break between Musk and Donald Trump, centered around what Musk called a financially reckless policy known as the One Big Beautiful Bill. Let's be clear, this isn't just a stunt. Analysts at Goldman Sachs downgraded their rating on TSLA from buy to neutral, citing increased political risk. Instead, the America Party is focused on a precise and tactical goal, targeting just 2 to 3 Senate seats and 8 to 10 House races. The goal is to hold the balance of power. That's a strategy with real potential impact, especially in a closely divided Congress. This suggests that institutional investors are getting jittery. They cited strategic uncertainty around Musk's political focus. Immediate market reactions. Musk's heightened political activity could bring added regulatory pressure or scrutiny. Trump has already suggested slashing green energy subsidies. That's a major concern for Tesla, as approximately 20% of its revenue in 2024 was linked to regulatory credits and incentives. It could become a libertarian-lining alternative to the current political divide. First, investors are already reacting. Azoria Partners, a major fund with over $50 billion under management, just paused the launch of a Tesla ETF that could reshape risk profiles for many companies in your portfolio, particularly those reliant on government contracts or subsidies. If the America Party captures swing seats in 2026, we may see gridlock or surprise votes that affect federal budgets, stimulus plans, and tax reforms. Historically, periods of congressional gridlock have often led to increased market volatility and slower economic growth. For instance, companies developing AI could face fewer regulatory hurdles under a Musk-influenced Congress, potentially accelerating their growth. Tesla stock, which had recovered after Trump's re-election, is already showing signs of retracement. Securing ballot access in all 50 states can cost tens of millions of dollars and require hundreds of thousands of signatures. And the America Party doesn't gain traction. Tesla and other Musk-linked companies could take a reputational hit. His super PAC-funded candidates in 2024, but results were mixed. Of the 12 candidates his PAC supported, only 5 won their races. Musk's strategic play. Remember Ross Perot, who garnered 18.9% of the popular vote in 1992, but no electoral votes? Hedge your exposure to Musk-centric companies with positions in less politicized sectors. Or Theodore Roosevelt's Progressive Bull Moose Party, which saw a surge in 1912, but ultimately failed to displace the two-party system. These movements surged for a season, but ultimately failed to gain lasting traction. Second, Musk isn't aiming to run for president. From a policy standpoint, the America Party appears to embrace fiscal responsibility, deregulation, and technologies-forward governance. And let me know in the comments, do you think Musk's America Party will change the game or fizzle out? Implications for your portfolio now. What does this mean for markets? Let's start with Tesla and SpaceX. A politically distracted CEO also raises red flags for investors. Boards and analysts are already watching closely. Next, consider the broader tech sector. If Musk's party gains traction, it could influence policies around artificial intelligence, clean energy, and taxation. And third, the impact on U.S. markets overall. Challenges for the America Party. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. There are serious challenges facing this new political movement. Ballot access is a huge hurdle. Musk will need legal teams, fundraising infrastructure, and grassroots support just to get candidates on the ballot. And let's not forget, Elon Musk has launched political efforts before. Historically, third parties in America have had limited staying power. And here's the investor risk. If the political novelty wears off, what investors should do now. So what should investors do now? First, watch Tesla closely. Political headlines now materially affect the stock. Second, diversify. And third, follow the upcoming 2026 The America Party's real test will come at the ballot box. In closing, Elon Musk launching a political party is more than a headline a moment that could signal massive change, or just more chaos. If you're investing in tech, energy, or innovation, it's time to pay attention. If this breakdown helped you make sense of the moment, hit like, subscribe to the Investment Diary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next diary entry.